Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the SN Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2012 Dodge Caravan 3.6 liters engine. We're just gonna replace the rear brake pad in order for this car. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so we're using number 18. We're just gonna straight away to this caliper bracket. Alright, just loosen it up. So 2 bolts in here. Okay, hold on. Alright, nice. This is number 12. This is number 13. I'm just gonna loosen it. Okay. Both of them. See it? Nice. This is 17. That's it. Alright. This is the bracket. Let's get this pad. Let's remove it. Alright. The rotor. Let's remove the rotor. Oh, I'm gonna replace this stuff. Look at. Holy cow, it's already damaged. Let's replace both of them. Alright, so before we put the new rotor, let's clean it up. Alright, let's put some anti-seize. Anti-seize over here. Alright. Nice. And let's check the caliper. Let's see. Alright, let's retract this piston. We're using these special tools. Alright. That. See that? Alright, see that? It's ready to retract. I want to show you which design I use. It has 2 of this. See that? It goes on here. There's 2 slots in here. Right? Let's remove this shim. Then let's put the new one. Clean it up. Alright, so let's wake up. Alright, it's good now. And then we'll be putting, lubrication. Brake lubrication. Alright, same thing with this. Okay, nice. Now let's put it on. Tighten it. Nice. Okay. Alright. Okay, good. Let's put some lubrication in here. Okay. Perfect. Next one over here. Right, let's put also some lubrication in here. Perfect. There we go. Almost done. This one. This one. You can put lock thread for these two bolts. Oopsie, sorry. But that's optional. You don't have to. Just make it snug. Alright. There you go. Just wait. Alright, good. Perfect. Nice. Slide. Perfect. Okay. Alright, so there you go. This is just a quick replacement for brake pad and rotor for 2012 Dodge Caravan 3.6 liters engine. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.